Kick AI is a groundbreaking AI software that just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around to the end because I'm going to break down exactly why this could be the best tool for your needs, and I'll even give you my top recommendation after trying thousands of AI tools. Plus, you can try Kick AI for free through the first link below, so don't miss that. Now, let's get into it. First things first. Kick AI was designed to simplify complex tasks that normally take hours and turn them into processes you can manage with just a few clicks. Whether you're in digital marketing or any other field that requires AI-driven tasks, this tool is definitely one to check out. It offers automation on everything from lead generation to content creation, saving you time and boosting productivity. The second thing you need to know is that Kick AI is extremely user-friendly. While most AI tools can overwhelm you with a sea of options, Kick AI gives you a streamlined interface that even beginners can get the hang of quickly. There's no steep learning curve here, which is a huge plus. Its intuitive design makes it easy to jump in, even if you have zero prior experience with AI. Another key feature of Kick AI is its customization capabilities. It allows you to tailor the software to your specific needs. You can set parameters for content, for example, and have it generate specific types of text or fine-tune its automation to fit your workflow. This flexibility is what makes Kick AI stand out from many other AI tools that try to be all things to all people. Speaking of automation, Kick AI doesn't just stop at content creation. It's got powerful features for lead nurturing as well. Imagine you're running an ad campaign. Kick AI can automatically handle follow-up emails, texts, and messages to your leads, keeping them engaged while you focus on scaling your business. It saves so much time on the tedious stuff that you can invest more in strategy. Now let's talk integrations. This is crucial for any AI tool that's worth its salt, and Kick AI has got it covered. It seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and platforms like Google, Facebook, and MailChimp, making it an essential tool for your digital marketing efforts. This means you don't have to juggle multiple tools to make things work. It's all in one place. But that's not all. One feature that really impressed me is Kick AI's ability to analyze and provide insights on your data. This isn't just automation. It's AI that learns and improves your workflows over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. You can track performance, optimize campaigns, and see real-time metrics, which makes scaling your efforts much easier. One of the final things you should know is that Kick AI comes with stellar customer support. Whether you need help setting things up or you run into a problem down the line, you can reach out to their support team and they'll respond quickly. This is something you don't always get with new software, so it's worth noting. If you've been looking for a way to automate your processes and boost productivity, Kick AI is definitely worth your attention. As I said, you can try it completely free from the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've got my top recommendations in the description, so make sure you check them out and see how Kick AI stacks up. So there you have it, 7 crucial things to know about Kick AI. If you're ready to automate smarter and take your digital marketing or business game to the next level, this is one software you don't want to miss.